We're here today to marry these two in wedlock. And Danny, you're giving her away?
Yes, me and her mother.
Okay, now I need both your names.
Savannah Richards, TJ Arthur.
Okay, TJ Arthur.
Yes.
All right. And who has the rings? You come over here. Okay, so like I said before, we're getting here today to unite these two in what we didn't have wedlock. And do you, TJ Arthur, take Savannah Richards to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Okay. To have and to hold through sickness and poor and all health and all that?
Yes.
Sorry about that. Okay.
I do.
So just do your part.
I do.
You do. And do you, Savannah Richards,
Yes.
take him to be your lawfully wedded husband
Yes.
through sickness and health, through richer and poor, for better or worse? So just do your part?
Yes.
Okay. You have the rings? Did you have them? Yep. Now, I want you to hold her left hand. Give her the ring. Okay. With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed
I thee wed
Savannah Richards to be my lawfully wedded wife.
Savannah Richards to be my lawfully wedded wife.
Okay, now give her a ring. Put the ring on her finger, honey. Now you. I, Savannah Richards,
I, Savannah Richards,
take thee, TJ,
take thee, TJ
to
Arthur,
be my lawfully wedded
to be
husband,
my lawfully wedded husband,
till death do us
till
part.
death do us part.
If anyone can show just cause as to why these two should not be married, speak now or forever hold your peace.
They're cousins?
No.
I'm just kidding.
Shut up, Galen.
I'll take that as a joke.
Don't tell everybody. Go on.
Okay. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. By this, I invest in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. I want to be the first to introduce the new Mr. and Mrs. T.J. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Arthur.
Yeah!